Welcome to the PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Mahakumbh 2025. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has integrated the Bhashini platform into Mahakumbh 2025, offering multilingual support in 11 languages. The event, held from the 13th of January to the 26th of February 2025, is the world's largest spiritual gathering, attracting millions of pilgrims. Before moving on, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS is excited to announce the launch of our new offline batch for the IAS GS Foundation Prelims and Mains course at our Noida Center. Admissions for the English medium are now open, and Hindi medium classes will begin on the 16th of January. For more details, call us at 87501-87501. Let us talk about key highlights of Bhashini integration. Digital lost and found solution. Pilgrims can register lost or found items using voice inputs in their native languages, with real-time text and voice translations. Multilingual chatbot assists with queries, navigation, and event information through kiosks in multiple languages. Translation of guidelines, instructions, and event details, translated into 11 local languages for enhanced accessibility. Police collaboration. The Converse feature helps pilgrims communicate with police officers and access the 112 emergency helpline. Let us discuss the significance of Bhashini at Mahakumbh 2025. Inclusion and accessibility breaks language barriers, ensuring seamless communication for pilgrims from diverse linguistic backgrounds. AI-driven innovation leverages AI to enhance event management and user experience. Enhanced security facilitates better interaction between police and attendees, improving safety and support. Cultural sensitivity promotes the use of local languages, reflecting the diversity of India's spiritual heritage. Digital India Push demonstrates the role of technology in enabling inclusive public services. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, which ministry developed the Bhashini platform? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. C. Ministry of Tourism. D. Ministry of Communication.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.